Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be trying on these Kiss True Volume Chic lashes. This set of false lashes is made with 100% natural hair. As you can see, they are incredibly not voluminous. There's not a lot of volume. They're very natural, very delicate looking. To get them on, you check that they don't need trimmed. If they do need trimmed, just give them a quick snip. Then apply your lash adhesive to the band, wait 30 seconds for it to become tacky, and then throw it on your lashes. And these lashes are made in Indonesia, and Kiss is out of New York. So these hairs are attached to a clear band, and as you can see, they are kind of wispy and not very voluminous. I'm already wearing mascara today. I've got a little bit of eyeliner on, some eyeshadow, just kind of a classy event type makeup, nothing too crazy. So let me go ahead and throw these lashes on and I'll show you what they look like. And these lashes are actually pretty darn long. I'm actually gonna trim them. I'm gonna trim off 3 knots from the end. Oh yeah, much better. For lash adhesive today, I'm going to be using the Kiss Strip Lash Adhesive. I think these paint-on lash glues are really good for like really thin lashes when you don't want to apply too much glue. Kiss did actually send me this glue and these lashes because I've been trying on a bunch of their products on my channel. Not sponsored or anything, but oh no. Let me plop this on. Alright, and this is what the false lash looks like compared to my natural lash, and damn, that's beautiful. I will say I am really bad when I go lash shopping. I try to go for like really heavy cat eye lashes. Even though my eyes aren't particularly big, I maybe can't handle these big lashes. But this is just a nice reminder that sometimes the really underwhelming lashes in the package look just beautiful on the eye. I'd say like if you're looking for a natural, everyday, undetectable false lash, this might actually be the one. These are just beautiful. Really easy to apply. The band holds a nice curve. The lashes are pretty delicate on there. That's gorgeous. I can't feel them at all. I can't see them at all. Let me throw on this other pair before I get too carried away here. Alright, and there is the other lash. And honestly, it just makes you look like you have perfect natural lashes. It's not overwhelming at all. They're perfectly spaced out, very lightweight, like I said. I know you can get them in a 6-pack as well as a 2-pack. Now, I'm not crazy about like natural hair lashes, so I would even consider looking for a even cheaper style of these with just synthetic lashes, because I think this length and style is perfection for my eye. I think it works really well with my little kitten wing eyeliners. So let me hop over to natural light. I'll show you what it looks like under natural light conditions, and then I'll be back to wrap up this video. Alright, so there was a close-up look for you. Overall, I am gonna give these lashes a freaking 4.5 out of 5. Good price, good style. I think this shape, personally for me, is ideal. The only downside to these lashes is they are quite delicate. So for me, we're looking at maybe 3 uses before they're completely mangled. Of course, if you're more careful with your lashes, you might get more out of that. If you're new to lashes, you might get less. I think these would be great for a beginner to put on and to feel comfortable wearing. Just remember to give them a trim and to make sure you give the band a nice bend in it. That'll just make it easier to plop it on your eye. Overall, I think this is another really great Kiss lash product. I am really disappointed in their lashes. Thanks again to Kiss for sending these to me. Thanks to you guys for watching, and of course thanks to my beautiful patrons who help make these videos possible. Your support means so much to me. If you'd like to help support my channel, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, maybe leave a comment down below. All those little things mean so much to me, so thank you for taking the time out of your day to even just watch this video. That's it for me today, and I will see you all in my next beauty video on Tuesday. Bye!